So guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about the interface, right? So let's start with the some of the things that we see right here. So we can see the profile here, right? So remember, in order to have an account, you need to create a Canva account first. Then you can have the home. You can see the home here, folder icon here to import documents into the program. We have the add new button here. Yeah, but let's go back to the home. Let me show you some things there. So you can see some presets I've created here. You can see my recent documents, my previous designs that I recently worked on. Then some tutorials here that was provided by Affinity. So you can see all the recent documents I've worked on, like I designed, each design file. You can see the tutorial here created by Affinity, and you can also have some templates here and also your favorites. You can put them here. So let's go back here and create a new document. But before we create a new document, you can see the presets which I've created myself. You can create your own custom sizes. Then you can see some other ones with page sizes here. You can see different photo sizes. You can see canvases, your Illustrator, different ones, depending on the option that you want. Affinity has provided for us already. Then we had video and web. Yeah. And if you notice, this is on landscape, so you can also come here to use the portrait option, right? For the sake of this video, let's use landscape, and let's choose social media portraits, 1350 pixels by 1080 pixels, right? Then you can change the name here, call it designer 1, and that creates a preset or just create a document. And then we're going to make this artboard, right? Because artboard, you can have multiple canvases on the same document, but if we just create it like a document like this, we cannot have multiple documents. But if you can create an artboard, you can have different artboards in a document. So I'm going to put this on and create documents. Yeah, done. So in the next video, we're going to talk about these tabs and discuss about the selection tool.